Hello, I'm John Battaglia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove, clean, and reinstall the vent filters on a GE microwave oven. So if you have a GE microwave oven, came with a lot of our houses here. This one's a profile. You see the red filter light on. That means that the filters underneath the unit, which is this exhaust unit, these filters need to be changed occasionally. So this one has two, one on either side of the light underneath. And to change these, they're kind of flimsy and delicate. So if you grab this little tab, you don't want to pull it down because it'll break off. You just want to slide it backwards towards the wall, just a little bit. It comes loose, drops down, and then you can remove it and then clean it properly. A good way to clean these filters is I like to use this Dawn Power Wash. Seems to do a pretty good job of dissolving the grease. So I just like to spray these, give it a good spray, maybe on both sides, because this dissolves grease really well. You can see it's a little dirty, so I'll spray that. And I'll just let it sit in the sink for a while and do its work, and then come back later with hot water and rinse it thoroughly, then let it dry before putting it back in. Well, let's continue washing these filters. I've already sprayed them down with the Dawn Power Wash, let them soak in the sink for a while. I'm going to give it a little scrubbing with the toothbrush, an old toothbrush. Kind of loosens up all the grease. Again, these are pretty gentle, delicate, so you have to be gentle with them. I've already damaged them in the past, but you could order these parts through GE. Let's let the water run from the back side towards the front. It like backwashes it. Hot water to help dissolve the grease. Let's take a look. It's a lot better. And I'll just turn this on spray. Flip it over. I'll let that drain somewhat. And then I'll set it down on a towel where it can absorb some of the wetness from it. Let it dry before you put it back into the receiving part of the blower. Now to put these filters back in to the exhaust portion, you're going to want to slide the bottom end in to the slot here where you took it out. So put one end in first, the far end towards the wall, and then you just slide it back towards you till this part holds it up, and you're done. After you've cleaned your filters underneath the microwave oven for the exhaust hood, you'll see that the light is still lit up for the filters need to be cleaned. So after you've cleaned them, if you press and hold this for 3 seconds, I think it resets the light. You hear a couple chirps, the light goes out, and you're good to go.